my name is Abby with Off-Leash Canine Training. This is Strider. He's a 3-year-old German short-haired pointer. He just got dropped off for our 2-week board and train program. So his main issues are pulling. They can't really take him for walks. He pulls the whole time. He's very friendly. He's good with dogs and people. When he's outside, he chases lizards. He doesn't listen when called. They have a really hard time if he's distracted, getting his attention. So let me show you what he knows day one. Strider, come. Strider, come. Sit. Strider, sit. Strider, sit. All right. Place. So he's not scared to get on it. Sit. But I don't think he knows the command. Strider, sit. All right. Strider, sit. Down. Down. So as you can see, he's just really excited. He's not going to do much for us today, and I look forward to showing you his progress in the next 2 weeks. Strider, 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 Strider. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh. You're a strong boy, aren't you? Woo!
canine off-leash training. Abby and her team did a great job with our German short-haired pointer Strider. We feel like we're going to have a much better, happier lifestyle with a better, happier dog, and we're glad for it. Strider break!
Yeah!